Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Google Nest audio speaker, quick fix step by step clearly. Unbox your Google Nest audio speaker. Locate the power adapter and plug it into a wall outlet. Connect the other end of the adapter to the speaker. Wait for the speaker to power on. You will see a glowing white light on the top of the device. Download the Google Home app from the App Store or Google Play Store if you haven't done so already. Open the Google Home app on your smartphone or tablet. Ensure that your mobile device is connected to your Wi-Fi network. Tap the plus icon in the top left corner of the app. Select Set Up Device. Choose New Devices from the menu. Select the home where you want to set up the speaker. The app will search for nearby devices. Once your Nest Audio appears, tap on it. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your speaker to your Wi-Fi network. You'll be prompted to choose your preferred language. Once selected, tap Continue. Now, you can link your music services if prompted. Follow any additional setup instructions as needed. After setup is complete, you'll hear a confirmation sound from the speaker. Test the speaker by saying, "Hey Google, play music," or ask any question to ensure it's working. Your Google Nest audio speaker is now ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.